emergency?
Good morning. I need an officer at 2624 East Alessandro Blvd.
Okay. What business is that?
It's AMPM, Arco.
Okay, why do you need an officer?
I'm sorry?
Yeah, why do you need an officer?
I have a guy outside the store who's riding a it's like a skateboard or a scooter. And we already asked him not to ride inside the store, and he keeps on doing it. He's panhandling with the customers.
Okay, what race is he?
I'm sorry?
What race is he?
He's Hispanic.
Okay, how old is he here?
He's in the mid-20s.
Okay, tall, short, medium height?
Medium.
And medium heavy?
Teen.
What color shirt and pants?
He's wearing a black shirt, and the pants, I believe, is a blue jeans.
And he's riding on a scooter or a skateboard?
Scooter.
Okay. Does he appear to be under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
No, he doesn't, but he is kind of like a cholo kind.
Do you see any weapons?
Gang member or something, I don't know.
Do you see any weapons on him?
No, but he was just arguing with his girlfriend outside, and they are panhandling for gas.
Okay. I will go ahead and put a call in.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Have a seat right there. Put the scooter down. No, have a seat. Just have a seat. I'm gonna tell you in a little bit. Actually, face away from me. Face away and put your hands on your back, alright, dog? Just keep on about. I'll tell you in a little bit. I'm gonna tell you in a little bit. Just relax. I'm gonna tell you in a little bit, dude. Don't try to fight, dude. 35-foot pursuit. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run. Dude, get on the ground. Stop. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Shot fired, shot fired. Rear to the AMPM. Keep your heads out. Get out of the vehicle. Keep your hands out. To the rear of the AMPM, Hispanic male, black shirt. He's in the driver's seat of a F-150 white seat on the driver's door. Don't move! Don't move! Peace officer. Time to take him out. He put it in reverse. I fell out. He almost ran me over. No! Stay right there! Shot fired, shot fired.